The day has arrived, you waited and prayed for that day which would change your life. Your love's found a way on this beautiful day. It's the best day of your life. Inshallah, a day to celebrate, a special day with blessings all around. Let's raise our
Ali Abdi Nur Hassan. Naam. Umekubali kumwoa Zulekha Ibrahim Abdi kwa mahari mliosikizana kwa idhini ya wali wake na kwa mapenzi yake binti mwenyewe mbele ya mashahidi kama alivyoamrisha Mwenyezi Mungu kuoana kwa wema. Inapotokea dharura msuluhishane kwa wema. Naam.
We pray that you both grow in each other's love and do everything for the sake of Allah. Oh, love is a place where we can reside with happiness all our life. Inshallah, a day to celebrate, a special day with blessings all around. Let's raise our hands and pray to Allah. Barakallahu lakuma wa baraka alaykuma wa jama'a bainakuma fi khair. Ameen. Today two hearts have become one. Subhanallah, your lives begun. Zawajun mubarakun, nikahun mubarak. Barakallahu lakuma wa baraka alaykuma wa jama'a bainakuma fi khair. Barakallahu lakuma wa baraka alaykuma wa jama'a bainakuma